Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm not sure what's happening with my video. Keep cutting off, but we're gonna try this one more time. What do come in your $99 kit is you get the party planner. You get the welcome package. You get a box of the pegs, the hooks that go on the pegboards, and they look like this. Looks like there may be about 20 in there. Oh, what did I do with my scissors? I have to open this up with my nails. I ain't really got no good nails. But, yep, there we go, It's open. Wow, let's see. So you get a welcome letter. And on the back, look at those pretty designs. You get a paparazzi decal. You have the newer consultant checklist. Let's see what this is. Look like a receipt book. Yes, that is the receipt book. You get the party checklist. This is before the party and after. You get the paparazzi bling card. So when your customers order up to 12 pieces from you, they will get, and make sure I say this right, free bling is a beautiful thing. Buy 12 accessories and get the 13th free. Correct. This is the conversation plan, and I will come back and do another video talking about